Hey, this is Tim with Bepoz Point of Sale for Cigar Stores. Bepoz is a powerful system that can handle many things that help you optimize your business and increase revenue and reduce your bottom line for your cigar stores. There are videos that cover each of the topics that I'm going to talk about in more detail, and if you'd like to review any of those, you should see those videos. But Bepoz can help you with case breaks, so you have products that you buy in boxes and then sell in sticks. It's probably the first feature that most customers that have cigar stores ask us, can you do that? Can I buy it in boxes and sell it in a box and in a stick and deduct the correct inventory and still buy in the correct amounts? And the answer is yes. Also, we get many requests for age verification. Can I scan the driver's license and validate the age or validate that I checked their ID? The answer is yes. Can I track their inventory and help optimize their inventory? And we have incredible tools to help you optimize your inventory, reduce cost and inventory on hand while at the same time increasing sales and reducing the amount of time that it takes you to manage your inventory. And that's one of the biggest features. Bepoz also has the ability to give you reporting of all the different aspects of your business and give you data that will help drive better business. Bepoz has a loyalty program or rewards program so that you can reward your loyalty customers, and it's been proven that loyalty systems help generate additional revenue in business. If you're not using a loyalty system, you really want to consider that as a tool for your business. Now, you could be doing this for your cigar store, and you might have many cigar stores that are all linked together, and Bepoz can help you link all of your cigar stores together from an inventory standpoint and reporting for loyalty and all the different aspects of your organization, and there are not many systems that can do that. Bepoz can handle your many store operation. Bepoz can also handle the unique taxes and tax requirements that can come across in some states for cigars. And Bepoz can also handle wholesale business if you're selling cigars wholesale to other tobacco shops or cigar shops. And finally, there are many cigar stores that we talk to that have bars associated with them. So they're selling liquor, beer, wine, and also are needing to manage inventory on that and tracking tabs and tips and other associated things. And Bepoz is able to handle that as well as the retail cigar part of your business in one system. And that makes us a little bit of a unicorn. You're not going to find that very often. So if you'd like to talk to us about how Bepoz can help you improve your business, we'd love to talk to you. You can call us at the number at the top of your screen or click the link below.